Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper on a Tuesday. Yes, it's Tuesday, November the 3rd, 2020. We have here only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku. And in this newspaper, there is also a additional with extra Sudokus, but first I will solve this regular Sudoku, and this will be number 1835. Alright, and before I start, I always count the printed digits. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4. Plus 4 is 8. Plus 2 is 10. Plus 4 is equal to 14, plus 3 is equal to 17, plus 3 is 20, plus 2, 22, plus 4 is equal to 26. So if you compare with the additional, the Sudokus in the additional with 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and 4 stars, 26 printed digits is a 2-star Sudoku. 1-star Sudoku, 27. 4-star Sudoku, 24 printed digit. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. Which number can I pick? How about... Let me see. 8, 3. In this big square, we have 5 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 3 and the 8. We have the 3 and the 8 in this column, so no 3 and the 8 in those 3 boxes. The 8 and the 3 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be here, and 8 goes there. How about the other 3 missing numbers? Those are the 1, the 2, and the 6. I see here the 1 and the 2. So no 1 and a 2 in this box. The 1 and the 2 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. It's a pair. So 1 box left for the number 6. 4 in this column. 4 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place for the 4 should be there. And then the 9 in this row, 9 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9. We see here 909 in these 3 boxes. There 909 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the last column, 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only place for the 9 should be there. 9 in this first column, 9 in the third column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used, I can see. Digit number 1, alright. And now, let me see, can I pick a number? We see here 7 in this column, 7 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. Then. How How about 1, 2, 3, 5, 8, and 4? All right. 2, 2, 1, 1, 6, 6. In this big square, 6 missing numbers. One of the missing number is an 8. Wait, I see a pair, 2 and an 8 in this column. 2. Oh no, I have no 8 here. Let me do the 2. 2 in this column, 2 in the last column. So in the column between, the only 2 places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 here, so this can be a 2 anymore. This should be the 2, and this should be a 1. Yeah, the 8 in this column. So in this big square, no 8 in these 3 boxes. There ain't no 8 in those 2 boxes. So the 8 could be here, could be there. That means 8 in this column, 8 in one of those 2 boxes in the column next. So in the last column, the only 3 places for the 8 should be here, here, or there. I see here an 8, no 8 there. So the 8 could be here or could be there. But I need an 8 in this row. The 8 and the 7. I cannot place the 8 here because we have an 8 there. So the 8 supposed to be there. Yeah, and one number left should be the 7 in this row. And now 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We see here 6, no 6 in those 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 6 should be there. 2 boxes left in this big square. The 1 and the 4. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here. The 4 goes there. 1 number left in the middle, a row for the number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 8 is missing. 5, 6, 8. No, I cannot do anything. How about those 2 numbers in this column? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing, and the 7 is missing. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in the last column. One of the missing number is a 7. We see here 7, no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. The only place for the 7 should be there. 2 numbers left. The 3 and the 5 are missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 3 goes there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 4. 4 in this row. 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this column, the third column. 4 in the first column. So in the column between, the second column, the only place for the 4 should be there. 4 in the last row, 4 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. And all the 4s are used. I can see digit number 2. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see here 7, no 7 in those 3 boxes. There's 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for the 7 should be here or there. We see here 7, no 7 there. 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see digit number 3. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 1 and 9. No, 1 and 1 and 5. 1 and 5. Let me mark them for you. 1 and 5. The other two numbers in this big square. The 3 and the 8. We have a 3 here. No 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 8 goes there. 3 in this row. 3 in a row above. So in that row, the only place for the 3 should be there. 3 missing numbers now. The 1 is missing. The 8 is missing. We see there an 8, so the 8 should be here. The 8 and the 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 in those two boxes. 1 box left for the 5 should be there. So the 8 and the 1 now is missing. We have here an 8, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and 1 goes there. 1 box left in the last row for the number 1. 1 is missing. Now we have a 1 over there. So this can't be a 1 anymore. This should be the 1 and this should be a 5. 1 box missing in this row for the number 2 is missing. 2 boxes left in this big square. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing and the 6 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 6 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We see here 2, no 2 there. 2 should be here and 1 goes there. How about those 2 numbers in this row? 1, 2, 3 is missing. And the no. We have a 3 there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. 6 and the 8. I cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 8. I need to wait. 6 and the 8. How about those 2 numbers in the second column? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. We see here 5, no 5 there. 5 should be here. And 1 box left for the 8. Yeah. So we have 8 in this row, 8 in the second row, so on the third row. The only place for the 8 should be there. 1 box left in this row for the number 6. 6 in this row, 6 in the first row, so on the row between. The only place for the 6 should be there. 1 box left in this big square for the number 3. 1 box left in this row, the second row for the number 3, I believe. Yes, 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 1 and 2. We have a 1 here, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 2 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 8. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. All right. Great Sudoku. I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want to subscribe. And hit that bell button or bell icon to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. Thank you again. Take care. Stay healthy. And keep on puzzling. See you later with the extra Sudokus in the additional. Bye bye for now.